Welcome to ReliableInformationSystems.TV.
Hello.
What should we discuss today? What are you interested in?
What is special about testing information systems and business applications?
Or in other words, what is the difference between testing a calculator and testing a core banking system?
A test case for a calculator could be, press 3, press plus, press 4, the result is 7, yesterday, today, tomorrow.
How do test cases for business applications differ?
Let's assume I go to an ATM. I take my credit card. I want to withdraw 500 Swiss francs. Should I get the money? What is the expected behavior of the ATM?
It depends on the balance of your bank account.
Is it 0 or is it 3,000?
Yes. And the account balance is stored in a database. So what's your conclusion?
Data in the database impacts the outcome of a test case execution. Thus, a test case must specify all data in the database, which impacts the test result of a test case.
Correct. Otherwise, testers cannot reuse test cases for later tests, for example, for regression testing. And this is the first specialty of testing information systems and business applications.
Are there more specialties?
Yes.
Also related to database data?
Yes. The second specialty relates to data in a database as well. Imagine a complex business application. It can be an ERP system, a core banking system, etc. Testers can only test if the application is up and running.
This means hundreds or thousands of database tables must contain data.
Yes. Many tables must contain data, and the data must be consistent.
So the data must reflect primary and foreign key relationships?
Yes. Plus business rules. Often, business rules are not implemented as database constraints.
This is my experience as well. Once, I tested an accounting system. When I prepared test data, assets and liabilities had to be the same, even though there were no database constraints for that.
That is a great example. It shows that some random data in tables doesn't help for testing. Consistent data is a fundamental prerequisite for starting and running a business application in a stable way. This rule applies to both production and test environments.
What is the impact on test cases?
Good question. What do you think?
I have to write down the needed database state in my test case. Then, I can reuse my test case when I test again in a week. Or a year.
Or I could execute your test case if you cannot come to the office because you are sick.
Exactly.
Hi. Sorry, I am late. I did party too long last night. What did I miss?
What? Is this a joke?
We learned the specialties of testing information systems and business applications.
First, a test case must define which data in the database impacts the test result, and which values must be stored in the database.
Second, running a test case requires a consistent database state including data for potentially hundreds or thousands of tables.
Boring. I want to know, how can testers and test centers address these challenges?
This, my friend, is a secret. The secret of test data management. I will share more insights in the next episode of Reliable Information Systems.TV.